I'm sorry. Hi guys, alright, so today I'm gonna share with you guys about the things I bought in China. So if you guys didn't know, I went to Guangzhou, China last month, end of last month. I don't even remember. So I went there for work and I have posted a video about my experience in China on Instagram, not here. I will upload on YouTube too in a bit, maybe tomorrow. So I just want to share with you guys something that I bought, which I found kind of cool. I'm not sure if it's cool or not, but alright, so I bought this cute little badges. So like cute stuff like this, even some creepy ones, cockroach. So this is gonna be another DIY, but not furniture or room related. It's gonna be about an outfit. So what you need for this DIY is all the badges that you have, and also a white shirt or any shirt of any kind. I bought a sweater, it can be a t-shirt, whatever. I bought from Shopee for only 15 bucks. And also what you need is a fabric glue. You can get this at any DIY or craft shops. So let's get ready to make this happen. Alright, let's get to it. So just lay your shirt flat on a flat surface and take all the badges and put it in place, all the places that you want it to be. And after that, just take your fabric glue and then glue it one by one. This one gonna take a little bit more time. And after that, just put it on the iron for like a few minutes to make sure it sticks. Okay guys, I have some bad news. The good news is it's done. The bad news, it's on the back side. I'm sorry. But thank God I have few more extras. Probably I'm gonna put this in front. So it's done. I'm gonna put them on. Here is the front side. It's already done. But the back side looks really fun. I'm gonna try it out now. So here's the 3 last minute one. Put one over here. The back is pretty fun. So that's all for today. I hope you guys can try. Super easy. Just buy your badge, paste it on, buy or reuse your old shirt, and just buy your own cute badges and you can just paste it on.
I want it, I got it, yeah. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it.
I have one more extra. I don't know where to paste it. Lol, it's thick. Okay, so that's it for today. Bye!